Hello everyone, welcome back to SoCalirific. Today we are here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Today is the official start of the Universal Pass Member Days, and they go until September 30th. So we'll walk around the park and I'll show you what you could get as a Universal Pass member. And also I do know that they are prepping for Horror Nights. There are some props around the park, so we're also going to take a look at that. So come along and let's go.
Have fun!
So the first pass member perk is that you could get a Minion pass member magnet. We went to the register at the Universal Studios store. We just showed them our pass and they gave us our magnet. So as a pass member, don't forget to pick one up on your next visit. Okay, here in the Universal Studios store, they do have a really cute Dr. Seuss loungefly. Look how cute this is. And they have the wall. As you can see, they do have the design, and this is $55.82 for the backpack. Okay, as I am heading into the Universal Plaza, the Minion is gone. Otto is not here anymore. Since Otto is gone, they have now started building for Horror Nights. I don't know if any of you remember last year, but it was like Dia de los Muertos theme here at the Plaza, and they are bringing it back. I actually really liked the decorations last year, so I'm happy that they're bringing it back because it looked really pretty right here in the Plaza. They also got the Killer Snacks booth. I've been seeing that in the Curious George parking lot for so long, so it's nice to see it in the park finally. It has made its way over here. But yeah, definitely you are getting those Horror Night vibes, those feels, because it is taking over the park. And even when you get in the park, they do warn you that they are set decorating for Horror Nights. So as the weeks go by, we're just gonna see more and more. I'm just shocked of how much is here already and super excited. They also brought this car back. Again, this was here last year and they have brought it back. So decorations are even here at Cocina Mexicana. We got Dia de los Muertos on the windows. So yep, I really like this design from last year, so I am happy it is coming back. But they do have Horror Night props all the way over here. Usually they have it like in the little French area, but now they are near animal actors. So let's take a look at some of these props. Oh my goodness. So it says Haunted Forest, you have been warned. That is so cool. So let's step into this Haunted Forest, see what they have. So as we were warned before we came in, the props are here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and these look so cool. So like all the signs say, beware of the haunted forest. Oh my goodness, so is this like an extra scare zone? They have this guy right over here at the corner. So cool, but they do have some decorations in there. So let's take a quick look. Oh my god, look at this guy right here. Look at like the detail. I feel like he's staring into my soul, and it's just the morning. I can only imagine how cool this is gonna look at night. Look at like these vines coming out of his mouth. The music kind of goes with it right here. Let's see this. Oh, we got like a creepy looking skeleton. Dog. Demon. Has an arrow. The spider with the mushrooms. We got like a knight and his not so shiny armor. And oh my, on this side this looks so cool. Look at that. Wow, so much details. We got like the mushroom. Look inside, we even have like the moss with more little skeletons in there. Got some bones over here. I have never seen it decorated in here, so I'm just admiring this. This looks so good. This is giving me a little scarecrow vibes. So look, it has a little crow skeleton on his shoulder. Look at this like pumpkin man. Jeez Louise. There's so many props over here. I'm just like admiring it all. Look at that little bat. Skeleton bat. The last prop that I have yet to see is like this pumpkin man. Journey no further. There he is. Dang, it feels like a little forest already over here. I can see they're adding like more plants too to make it like more cooler. And look at like his eyes, like skeleton's like stuffed with moss. It's like the forest has taken over. Alright, so I was wondering if they decorated over there, were they still gonna decorate French Street? And of course, like every year they are. But let me show you like kind of the overall theme of what they got over here. So on French Street, they are getting set up for the scare zone. We don't have a confirmation of La Llorona yet, but looking at the scare zone, it makes sense because it is like Mexican urban legends. We got El Cucuy, La Chupacabra, we have a lot more, so that is going to be super cool. I cannot wait to see that. I cannot wait to see the costumes, the outfits, but that looks so amazing. Also, it's built up like kind of like a newsstand, like their newspapers. It says like Puesto de Periódicos. So if you see it, that is what they have right now. Right, I know La Llorona isn't confirmed, but with the scare zone, all like themed to like Mexican urban legends, it kind of makes sense. Like this is the exit of the maze. So usually like as you exit, the scare zone is a little theme to what the maze is about. Here by the Minion Cafe, they do have this prop. Look how cool this is. And it even says Minion Cafe this way. Here's a look at our weekly Super Nintendo World update. And again, not too much different from last week. Like I showed you, they had those power blocks, some warp pipes. But it does look as though they are getting ready to put that green paneling. Look at it. It is almost there. Right now it's like a little light greenish. But I'm pretty sure that green paneling will appear. And also, here's a look at the mural. It is now being painted over here. So that is the current progress of Super Nintendo World. Hi, Bart! Okay, this Hershey Collection has been here for a bit, but I haven't shown you yet. But look at this fanny pack. We got Bart on his skateboard. But I also like the backpack version as well. I used to use Hershey a lot, like before I started doing videos, because I needed more pockets. But look, now these come with side pockets, so now you can bring your drink, because I need to bring my drink, especially in this heat. And they also have a matching bucket hat as well. Also, they didn't have this last time I came, but it has The Simpsons. Like, look, it's a little picture frame. Universal Studios, so you can remember your trip. Nothing new with the La Llorona, oh, rumored. I mean, come on though. La Llorona house. I just wanted to come admire it because it just looks so freaking good. Oh, actually, there is something new. We got some crosses out. So, oh, it's not done quite yet. Okay, they usually just had the Blumhouse shirt for now, but they did bring the Michael Myers shirt back. So if you want the Michael Myers shirt, it is here. Okay, so another past member offer that they have right now is buy one Coca-Cola Freestyle souvenir cup and get the second one for 50% off. So this is what they look like. So if you want to buy one, you get one 50% off. Usually it's one for $17 and the second for $16. Okay, so another deal that they have for past members right now is get a free popcorn refill. Says get a free popcorn refill when you purchase or bring back a Universal souvenir popcorn bucket. The only thing is right now it looks as though that souvenir popcorn bucket is currently sold out. So maybe they'll get some more, then you can redeem that as a past member. But if you do have one already, you could bring one back and get a free refill. Okay, so they do have in-park shopping perks as well for past members. You get a free character straw or drink sleeve with the purchase of a beverage. You can get $20 off when you spend $100 at the Universal Studios store, but restrictions do apply. You could get engraving and embroidery on the Wizarding World of Harry Potter merchandise. They are also getting buy one, get one carnival game. You get 25% off My Universal Photos for 1 year of Photo Pass. And you get a save on a Universal Express upgrade. You get $20 off a 1 day daytime Universal Express upgrade on your annual pass or season visit. So we decided to stop at City Walk and go to Voodoo Donuts because they have like a secret pass holder donut. We are gonna get it and I'll let you know what it is in case you want to try this secret pass holder donut. All right, so the secret pass member donut is this cinnamon churro bar. I looked on the menu and yeah, I cannot find it on the current menu. So it does seem like it is for past members. They just gave me a past member discount, so if you just want it, I'm sure you could just ask for it. So today we have made our way to the Curious George parking lot because I wanted to check out the mazes because I didn't last week. So this week we're gonna see if there's anything new and just see the progress. Okay, for the Halloween house, the soundproof walls are up. They have a lot of like things going on in this parking lot. Oh, they finally got rid of the bin. But that is what it's looking like. Some more like, a lot more materials. Oh, they have this. I wonder what's underneath. Oh, this stuff. And let's take a look at the front of this facade. The vines are going up. I can't believe like how much they're doing. It's just not done. Like once you think it's completed, like no, they're going and going, and it just looks so amazing. We do have some little props over here. What is that? Oh, probably some more, that is, I don't know, scarecrowy props. There is, I can't, I'll see from another angle, but there is a scarecrow prop like right there for sure. So that, I do not know what that is. But yeah, but some of you might, because a lot of you are very knowledgeable. So if you have any idea what any of this stuff is that I'm missing, just comment down below and let the rest of us know. Take one more scope of the area just to see if we're missing anything. Okay, I came from this angle to see if we could see more of the props. But they just look like scarecrows. There they are. Oh, and these as well. So something else that I did want to mention quickly is that when I was in Production Central, a team member told me that that will be the new location of a tribute store. So are we finally getting a tribute store? He did say that it's going to be kind of crammed because it is a small location. But if this is true, I am super excited to finally get a tribute store here in Hollywood. All right, everyone, so that was our day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Of course, you know we're going to be back next week, so don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button because we have more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye guys!